Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to sign up and get started with CoinGecko platform. To sign up for a CoinGecko account, you can download and open up CoinGecko application on your mobile device, or you can also visit coingecko.com on your web browser. I'm opening up the CoinGecko application on the mobile device. Once you go ahead and open the app, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on the Sign Up button appearing at the top in order to get started and sign up for a new account. In the sign up form, type in a valid email address and create a password. Make sure to enter a valid email you have access to. And while creating a password, make sure you have 8 characters long password created with one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, at least one number, and one special character. After creating your password, you can click on Create an Account. If you don't want to sign up with email and password, you can also tap on Continue with Google at the bottom or Continue with Apple option at the bottom and follow through the instructions to sign up easier with your existing Google account or Apple account. After filling in your credentials, you can tap on Create an Account to move on to the next step. You may need to go ahead and complete the CAPTCHA verification, and after you do that, you will then be able to sign up for a new account on CoinGecko. So that is how you easily sign up for a new account on CoinGecko. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.